Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me share you how to transfer WhatsApp messages from one Android phone to another Android phone. And for this method, you no need to back up the WhatsApp messages to your Google Drive like that. So you can directly transfer the chats instantly from your old Android phone to the new Android phone. And in the chat home page, click on the three dot menu and click on the settings. Now here, click on the chat option. Now here you can see the option transfer chats. In case if you can't able to use this option, then go to the Google Play Store and check whether the WhatsApp is up to date. After the update, check for this option. Now click on the transfer chat. Now it actually asking for some permissions. Just click on start. So click on the continue. Now allow for nearby devices and then turn on the Wi-Fi, and also you need to enable the location. Now you can able to see the barcode scanning page. Now in your new smartphone, install the WhatsApp and open it. Now in the new phone, select the language and click next and click on agree and continue. Click on the allow, select the country and then put your mobile number, the same WhatsApp number you used on your old Android phone. So after logged in case if you have a two-step verification, means enter the two-step verification. So once the verification complete, now you can see transfer chat history from old phone. Now you have to just click on the continue and click on the continue and click on the allow. Now you need to scan this barcode. Now using the old phone, you need to scan this barcode. So after scanned, you have to stay on the screen on the old phone. So now you will get an invitation to connect. Just click on the accept. So after you accepted on your new phone, so it will take some time. As you see now the transfer has been started. So from the old phone it's get transferring, and in the new phone it receiving. So in this way you can transfer the WhatsApp chats from your old phone to your new Android phone without backing up to the Google Drive. Now just click on the done on the old phone and click on the next on the new phone. So now here you have to enter your WhatsApp name and click on the next. Now you have to enter your two-step verification pin, and after that now in the old phone it automatically get logged out, and in the new phone you can able to see all the WhatsApp chat messages. So what are all the chat messages you have on the old phone, that all messages available, including the latest messages you got on the WhatsApp chat in the old phone.